children, we are going to start the final term or the third term of the session. Today's lesson is based on conversation. We will learn today a special type of expression when we converse and when we request or ask for help. So, it is about polite requests and questions. We request when we ask someone for something. Since it is a request and you ask for help, the language should be polite. And to say polite words, you must not say the sentence very directly, like, give me the book. It is not a request. This approach is too direct. Even if you say, give me the book please, still it is not polite. Discuss some more examples. Comb my hair. Lay the table. Carry my bag. Shut the door. These sentences are too direct. The sentences are all correct. Anyone can understand you. If you say, pass me the salt, the person might understand you. Probably he gives you the salt, but he will not be happy. He might feel bad. So, let us learn how to request, how to ask for help. If we add could you to the sentence, then the sentence will sound polite. Like, could you shut the door? It is polite, not rude. And if you add please to the sentence, then it will be even more polite. Like, could you shut the door, please? Is it not sounding nice? It is. Take a look on other examples. Pass me the salt. If you say, could you pass me the salt, please? Then the person will be happy and help you instantly. Another example, give me an umbrella. Could you give me an umbrella, please? Can you carry my bags? Could you carry my bags, please? So, these are sounding so nice. So, let us follow a format to frame sentences for asking help. At first, we will use could you. Then, we will use the base form of the verb. Then, rest of the question, and at last, we will give a pause and then add please. Could you, then base verb, and rest of the question, and then please. Children, here is 19th chapter of your workbook. It is about the polite questions. If we say open the window, then it will be too direct. But if you say, could you open the window please? Then it is a polite request and question. And the answer is also polite. Yeah, sure. Could you take Tacy for a walk please? It is a polite question or request. Sorry, I can't. Though the answer is negative, it is polite. Sorry, I can't. Could you carry my bag please? It's a polite question. Yeah, sure. The answer is also polite. Could you give me an umbrella, please? It's a polite question. The man is asking for an umbrella. Sorry, I don't have one. The answer is negative. The man is not able to provide an umbrella to this person. But the answer is so polite. Sorry, I don't have one. Now let us frame some sentences. Now look at this picture. Read this picture. Here the base verb is iron and the extra word is skirt. So what will we do? We will use could you first. Could you? Then base verb iron. Could you iron? Skirt, one extra words, my skirt. The girl is saying herself, so my skirt. And then a small pause. Then please. And then note of interrogation. Could you iron my skirt, please? Because the boy is ironing, so he will answer yes. Sure. Take a look on another example. Lay is the base verb and the extra word is table. And see the picture. The lady is telling the girl for laying table, the dinner table. So, could you, we will start with could you because it is a polite question or asking for help. Could you then verb. Could you lay the dinner table? Dinner table. So, a small pause and then please. Could you lay the dinner table, please? Look at the picture. It seems the girl is not ready to do the work, but she will answer politely. Sorry, I can't. The answer is negative, but the tone is polite.